Yo, what is going on, everybody? Today I'm gonna take y'all with me to go get something I should have gone a long time ago. So yeah, let's go get it. So guys, check this out. I haven't washed my car for a while, as you can see. Probably since I've gotten it vinyl wrapped, I have not washed this. But that is why I'm gonna be go getting something I should have gone a long time ago. Just like how I said, to resolve this issue. And I got a special products to show y'all, so let's get it. This cold start. That was the weirdest cold start I've ever heard from this BMW. Let this warm up just a little bit and then we'll be on our way. Alright everybody, we just pulling up. Nothing like the good old Home Depot. I'm gonna get a spot real quick and pull up. Alright guys, we just walking up to Home Depot real quick. Beam's looking all type of dirty. We gonna get this and fix this issue because I'm tired of this. Alright guys, we in Home Depot right now. We have to go to the garden aisle. I just asked one of the employees here. Alright guys, here she is. This is the power washer. I'm actually gonna get this one right here. The cheapest one they got. This guy right here. And there's a warranty on this, so whatever breaks, I just can keep getting new ones. So, and guys, the reason why I'm gonna get this one is just because it's one of their smallest ones that they have. So I can just throw this in the back of the trunk, take it anywhere that I want, any of the homies' house, and pull up and start doing power washes. So, just gonna go with the little cheap guy and see how these work. Let's try to get this one here. All right, y'all. We secured the box. Let's get the hell out. Go wash this filthy beast. Oh shit, I forgot I had all these books. Alright guys, so we got the power washer right here that you guys just saw me pick up from Home Depot. We're going to be using Adam's polisher for the wheel cleaner, and I went ahead and got Chemical Guys. They make a satin and matte finish soap so that it doesn't leave any stains or swirls, because when you tend to use different products on satin and matte colors, it can leave a whole bunch of stains with a certain type of chemicals used in other soaps. So this one's specifically used for satin and matte colors. So yeah guys, let's open this up and see what we got. Alright guys, so first off, here's the hose that it comes with. Here's one of the nozzles. What is this? Yeah, I'm not too sure what this is, but we'll move on. Here's the power washer itself. As you guys can see, it's not that big at all. And here's the plug-in outlet, which is pretty long, so if you have an outlet that's far away, it'd be easy to reach. And then here's the handle. And also guys, I have a foam cannon that I'm going to show you guys in just a sec, so yeah, let's roll into it. Alright guys, so I got my extension cord running all the way down my pathway in front of my house, and what I'm going to go ahead and do is attach this hose to right here, and it's pretty simple. It just screws on, and here's the foam gun that I'm going to be using, guys. I haven't used this thing in forever because I do have a gas power washer, but that thing just always breaks on me. And yeah, we're going to see how this works. So we just got all the hoses connected. Now I'm going to run through the water and get all the air bubbles out. If you guys ever used a power washer before, you should do this for at least 30 seconds before you turn it on, especially if it's brand new. So I got all the hoses connected. Just going to do this for a little bit and then I'm going to turn it on. Alright guys, here's going to be your first start, and we're just going to rinse it down so that we can go hit it with the foam gun. She's going to go ahead and get it wet. Alright, so I just got the whole car rinsed off just a little bit, get off the dirt debris off, and I just filled up the soap cannon, if you guys can see. with the Chemical Guys satin and matte soap, and I'm going to show you guys what these wonders are made of. Go ahead and get that whole side of the car. Get the wheels. This thing is actually working pretty damn good. Alright guys, we're going to go touch this side a little bit. Get that booty looking clean and mean. You feel me?
Girl gon' come up, roll us some dope, oh yeah. Gon' sip it slow, white styrofoam, you know us. Bands we could blow, cash overload, it's nothing. Girl, we could go anywhere you want, oh yeah. Girl gon' come up, roll us some dope, oh yeah. Gon' sip it slow, white styrofoam, you know us. Bands we could blow, cash overload, it's nothing. Girl, we could go anywhere you want, oh yeah. Baby, camouflage on my entourage, oh yeah. Big backyard, 4-car garage, it's nothing. Bad little bitch in a foreign car, oh yeah. I hop up out the bed, put my jewelry on, oh yeah. I've been laying low, out in Tokyo, oh yeah. Gorillas on my coat, faces for the low, it's nothing. I mix it with Supreme, rolling purple weed, oh yeah. I pull up in that Jeep, smoking gasoline, oh yeah. It's Fendi on my belt, I'm blessed, had a curd that bitch. Cause little shawty took a L when she said she ain't heard my shit.
Alright guys, so I just got done washing the car completely, got all the tires looking all shiny, vinyl is looking beautiful, no streaks of any soap or anything of the chemicals like the other soaps use, so this product was amazing. The power washer worked way better than I expected, way quieter than the gas one that I have currently right now, so this one was a good replacement and it can just fit in the back of the trunk, super easy. So yeah, let me go ahead and just show you guys around the car and see how well the foam gun and power washer worked out. As you guys can see, there are no streaks at all. We got the wheels looking so shiny. Guys, I'm so hyped. And I don't know why it took me so long to get a new power washer, because I never used the gas one just because it was so loud. Couldn't record videos with it just because honestly guys, it was that loud. This one was super quiet. I could honestly talk through the video. And I'm probably going to be using this every week just because of how easy it was to use. And guys, I give this a 10 out of 10 for all the products I used. Yeah, it was well needed. You guys saw how dirty this beast was. It was needed. Woo! Look at that shot right there. It's probably going to be the thumbnail, but with all soap. You know what I mean? Alright guys, there you guys have it. Got my Beamer looking so clean and so mean. And I just wanted to make this quick little video guys to show you guys that this $100 power washer was worth it. And as you guys got my review, I give it a 10 out of 10. Super quiet, easy to use, and you can put it in the back of your trunk. So if you want to pull up on your homies and go give them a car wash or something, I don't know, it's perfect. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be expecting to see this power washer a whole lot more in my videos. But until next time guys, we out here.
Oh yeah, girl gon' come up, roll us some dope, oh yeah. Gon' sip it slow, white styrofoam, you know us.